Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Make Money Moves channel, and today I have yet another way that you guys can make some money. Now, this is a fairly simple way, and you guys have probably heard the saying, work smarter, not harder, and it applies here. Now, you are going to have a good understanding of social media. You're going to have a good understanding of trends, and you're going to have to be able to market something, but it's fairly simple. So with this method, you're going to be making about $1.50 per email, sometimes even more. And you guys might think like, hey, that's not a whole lot. But if you can get like 100 people to click on a link, then you can earn $150. So yeah, that is some easy money that you guys can make. And all you need is a laptop or a desktop PC if that's what you have, or a smartphone. And then of course you're going to need a method where you can collect your money. So yeah, we're going to get into the method right about now. Alright, so we are now on the platform that you guys are going to be using to earn money from emails. And as you guys can see, the name of the website is OfferVault, and it is the go-to source for affiliate marketers. So yes, what you guys are going to be doing is considered affiliate marketing, but don't worry, it's not hard at all, and you guys are going to have an easy time with this, trust me. So what we're going to be looking at is this. So this is an email submit, and it's for a $1,000 Walmart gift card. Now as you guys can see, for every email that you guys are able, or every person that you're able to get to click on the link in the emails that you send out, if that's what you want to do, you can earn $2.55. So if you get 100 people to click on this link that you guys are about to see, then you can make $255. Come on, guys, and 100 people is easier to get than you guys would think. And yeah, we're actually going to go and look at the landing page real quick. So we're going to click on that. As you guys can see, the people that you give this link to are going to see a page just like this. So what you're going to have to do is, or not what you're going to have to do, but what the people that click on the link are going to have to do is they're just going to have to answer 3 questions. So, are you shopping at Walmart this fall? Yes. How do you plan to use your $1,000 Walmart gift card? Of course, if I had a $1,000 Walmart gift card, I'm going to keep it. How many times do you go shopping per week? I'm just going to say less than 3. And what's going to happen is when people click on the link that you send them, they are going to enter their email. And every time someone enters their email, you are going to make anywhere from $1.50 to, in my case, $2.55. Fairly simple. And if we scroll down here, it has positive reviews, guys. So I absolutely love the deals from Krishna. My favorite deal was the ABC mouse. I have always seen it but never tried it. Lizette. I love this experience. It was fun and easy, coming from Thomas. And this person claimed $75. This person claimed $100. This person claimed, over $1,000 right there. So, yeah. Michelle said, it is such an easy process. Got me $1,000, and I only spent like $6. Such a great deal. And she claimed $1,000. Nicole claimed $100. So as you guys can see, these people are making money from this. So I wouldn't say you're not sending out like a scam or anything. You're sending out a legitimate link and you're making money from it. So if we actually go back over to the main page, how this would work is you would go over to category. And yeah, you guys can look at different categories. Obviously, you're kind of gonna want the email one. because I feel like that's the most simple one. And if you guys are trying to like spread the word faster, you're trying to get more people to click on your link, what you're gonna need to do is you're going to go on YouTube.com. This is the website you guys are watching this video on YouTube right now, obviously. So, as you guys can see, we're on YouTube. And some of you guys might be like, hey, I don't want to upload YouTube videos because you guys might be camera shy, but don't worry, you don't actually have to get on camera. What you're going to need to do is you're just going to need to like record your screen. You're going to go on the landing page right here. You're going to record it and you're going to advertise it. And then you're going to put your link, your affiliate marketing link into the description. And what's going to happen is the people that watch that video are going to click on it, and then they're going to enter your email, and you're going to earn quite a bit of money. Now, if we go over to Google Trends, this is how you guys are going to track trends. Now, as you guys can see right now, at the time I'm recording this video, Walmart gift cards aren't really that popular. They're ranked 28 on Google Trends in the United States. So, now would probably not be the best time to do this. But if we come over to December, in December, it had a ranking score of 100. If it has a ranking score of 100, that means that a lot of people are searching it, and that means that a lot of people are looking to get Walmart gift cards. So, that means that if you guys time it right, I would say around like sometime early December, maybe late November, maybe post a Walmart gift card video. And what's going to happen is people are going to flock to your video. They're going to click your link. Then they're going to enter their email, and you're going to earn a lot of money. Now, you guys can do this with other types of trends too. Like, let's say that, I don't know, Easter's coming up, right? You guys want to get some Easter type affiliate links. So what you can do is you can do some research on here. Then you can go to YouTube and figure out, how many views people are getting. So if we actually come over here and we search Walmart gift cards, come over here. Now this person got 4,000 views. That's quite a bit. This person got 12,000. This person got 14,000. This person got 6,000. Now, you guys are probably like, hey, that's a good amount of views, but I mean, what does that mean? Well, I would say out of 4,000 people, 10% of people clicked on the affiliate link. And what that means is that okay, if we do the math, let's go over to Google real quick. Calculator. Okay, 400 people clicked the link. It is $150 or $1.50 per email. $600 right there, guys. Easy as that. So we click on one of these videos. I'm just gonna click this one real quick.
Yo guys,
we look at TubeBuddy. Now what you guys are gonna have to do is you're gonna want to look at the tags that these guys use, and you're probably gonna want to make a similar title to this. And what's gonna happen is by using similar tags and using a similar title, don't copy it word for word, but by doing that, you guys are going to drive traffic to your video, which means more people are going to click on your video, meaning that more people are going to click on your link. And yeah, that is pretty much how you guys are going to make some easy money right there. Now, even though you can make money with the method that I just showed you, you're still trading time for money. And to be honest, the way that I showed you how to make some extra money on the side is really something that isn't meant to be full-time, and you're not really going to generate a whole lot of money on there. You're really just going to generate enough money to maybe pay a couple extra bills, maybe buy a little something extra. But if you guys are tired of working your 9 to 5 and you want to make money pretty much all the time, even when you're asleep, then I recommend checking out the link down in the description below. It's actually the first link, and you'll discover a very real method to make some passive income, and it's really easy, and I highly recommend checking it out. So yeah, like I said, first link in the description. Also, if you guys want to see some more videos on this channel to earn some easy money, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that like button too. That would be highly appreciated. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.